So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechCureker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can optimize your Galaxy phone or tablet. So first of all, open the app drawer on a device. Now open the settings app. In the settings menu, scroll down and here tap on device care. Now after this, you will see various options here. Here tap on memory. And now, as you can see here, I can stop these apps to clear up memory. So here tap on clean now. And this will clean all these apps from the memory. Now after this, tap on RAM plus. Now make sure this toggle is enabled. After this, you will see these 4 options here: 2GB, 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. Now this means you can have up to 8GB virtual RAM. From here, select 8GB for better performance. After this, go back again. Now here tap on auto optimization. Now tap on auto restart. After this, enable this toggle next to restart when needed. Now this will automatically restart your tablet when some issue is encountered. After this, go back again. Now here tap on storage. And now you can clean up some storage. For example, here tap on recycle bin. And now clear the recycle bin. Here tap on my files. Tap on this icon. Tap on empty. And then tap on delete. Go back. Now do the same for other contents of the recycle bin. After this, go back. Now here you will see all the other suggestions as well. Now here you will see some tips and tricks. Now here you will see some suggestions that you can follow. For example, here tap on unused apps. Now these are all the unused apps. You can uninstall them to clear up storage. For example, let's uninstall Brave. Tap on Brave. And now tap on uninstall one app. Tap on uninstall. And this will uninstall it. So this is how you can optimize your Galaxy phone or tablet. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.